Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 213 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode, Nathan builds a model to trade the ASX, which uses a number of key factors to mitigate risk and to take high probability trades that will let the winners run whilst trying to limit the losses. Now, if you want to watch this Trading Talk episode in full and you don't already have access, just purchase the series. All you need to do is click on the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video on YouTube. And of course, on YouTube, if you want to get updated when a new episode's been released, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. In other news, I'm just putting together some of the portfolios for this year's Algo Conference. And let me tell you, if you've already got a ticket, you'll love what our speakers are going to be showing you. There's some really seriously good quality models this year. And if you don't have a ticket, then what you need to do is contact us on the desk as soon as possible and get one so that you can see how the professionals do it. What these guys are going to show you at the conference, it's probably going to put you about 5+ years ahead in your development as a trader really quickly. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.